Sheriff Miller, the numbers just came out from the State Bureau of Investigation on meth labs in 2017,
Mhm.
responded to 232 closures of clandestine labs. In Onslow County,
Mhm.
21 labs were responded to and closed down.
Mhm.
You've worked for years, both here in Onslow County and with the SBI, in dealing with meth labs. What is that like when you go to a
Mhm.
meth lab and close it down?
Yeah, it takes a lot of training to be meth lab certified because a meth lab, by definition, is a hazardous material site. So chemicals are being mixed, and there are methods to do it, but it's very dangerous, and in some cases, carcinogenic, which means cancer can result, and in sometimes explosions even occur. So a meth lab is not to be taken lightly. Um, we have had a lot of cooperation from citizens that reported. So for us to have that partnership with the citizens, citizens are free to report a suspicion that there's a meth lab. And that's probably one of the reasons our numbers are so high, because we very aggressively respond and find out if it is a meth lab, and then secure the scene, and we call in the chemists from the State Bureau of Investigation to help us and resolve the issue.
What are some of the things citizens can, if they see something they feel is amiss,
Mm-hmm.
what are some of the red flags that might mean that there's a meth lab
Mm-hmm.
next door or down the street? What should citizens look
Yeah.
for?
Well, obviously, there's always a smell,
What does it smell like?
but also, well, it smells chemical.
Okay.
And, there are different smells, but if something just doesn't smell right, that could be an indicator. Then, if you take a look at some of the garbage that's been disposed of, is it a precursor? Now, I can have a list of precursors that I can talk about, but it's available on the internet for Googling. Precursors of methamphetamine. A lot of times you see in the trash or a burn pile where stuff is being disposed of that was used in the manufacture and cooking of methamphetamine. So if any citizen has any information about that, bring it to our attention so we can check it out.
Now, if I'm the curious or nosy next door neighbor and I suspect something's going on next door
Mm-hmm.
and I see the residue, I see what I think might be precursor, a burn pit, should I pick the stuff up and drive it down to the sheriff's office?
No,
What should I do, Sheriff?
never. What I would recommend is that citizen that suspects that methamphetamine or something is being done illegally, give us a call. Let the professionals take care of that, because we have to do it right, and we have to make sure that we do it in accordance with the law and in accordance with good science.
Thank you, Sheriff. And that number, everybody, is 910-455-3113. Onslow
Mhm.
County Sheriff's Office Department, open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Give
And
them a
Crime
call.
Stoppers.
And Crime Stoppers as well.
Mhm.
Thank you.